Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bulk download YouTube Shorts videos. This is the software that I use. To download YouTube Shorts, I go to the scanning function, Load. Here, you can also download from many platforms such as TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and even some Chinese apps. This will help you build a whole library of short videos. You can download by using a YouTube channel's user ID, or by keywords and hashtags. In this example, I'll download by user ID. I open the browser, copy the user ID of the YouTube channel I want, paste it here, and then I'll scan 100 videos. After that, I click Start Scanning. Wait a short moment for the software to scan and generate results. Here you can see the videos I just scanned. You can see the number of views, the video title, and once I have the list of videos, I can move down to the download section. I can choose which videos I want to download, and also set the number of threads for downloading. Here I'll set 10 threads. Then I choose the folder where the downloaded videos will be saved. Alright, now I'll have a folder like this with all the videos. You can also filter videos before downloading, for example, by view count, likes, comments, or shares. Once everything is set up, I just click Start, and the download begins. Now we just wait for the process. Here you can see the number of successful downloads, and these are the videos I got. These are all the videos you can download from that YouTube user's channel. You can watch the whole process on screen. If you need more information, feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. I've pinned all the details in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Chung Social Tools.